Hi, kindergarten friends. Today we're going to talk about how to measure things, so let's get started. Okay, I have some lines drawn on my board, but I need to help finding how long they are. Well, you're going to need a ruler, and I don't have a ruler. I thought I did, but I don't have one, but I have a measuring tape that I use for sewing, and mine's a little bit longer, but it'll still work. So you can see, here's my long measuring tape, okay? Now, when you're measuring something, you always start on the end. And on the end, you can see right here. And on mine, it has the big numbers for my inches. So right there, you can see there it is. There's mine. Looks a little different than what yours may look like, doesn't it? But that's okay. All right. So what we do when we're measuring is we line it up. We have to make sure that we put it right on the end. Because if we put it like this, it's not going to work. We're not going to get the whole measuring. So I have to put it on the end. So I'm going to line that up on the end. Okay, so now I've got it lined up on the end, but I need to get it all out here so I can measure the whole thing. So line it up on the end, right like that. And then I look at it. Where does it stop? Oops. Where does mine stop? Yeah, it stops on the 9, doesn't it? So this would be 9 units long. Okay, now I've got another line here that I want to measure. We start at the end. Put your measuring tape or your ruler, whichever one you have at home, at the end, and we measure it all the way to the end. Now, this doesn't end on a number. It ends in the middle, right here. So what number is between 5 and 6? Yes, 5.5. So this one is 5.5 units long. Now the next one that we have, let's measure this one. Okay, I'm putting it on the end, and I'm going to line it all up so that you can see. Oh, there he is. Okay, so there he is. What's my problem? Yes, I don't have it lined up to the end, do I? Okay, so I better line him up to the end and make sure he's all the way straight. I've got a curve in it. And what does this end at? 10.5. Very good, friends. Now remember, when you're using your ruler, you have to make sure that you put it at the end to make sure that it gets nice and straight. Okay, I'm going to draw a line. And I want you to see, can you measure my line today and tell me how long it is? All right, here's my first one. Can you measure that one? And the next one. Measure that one. And the last one. Can you measure my 3 lines? But this line isn't straight. I better switch it, because it's not straight. Ooh, that's better. Can you measure my lines and then tell me how long they are? All right, friends, until tomorrow. Bye.